This is our 24th annual Autumn Estate Planning Seminars. We're a Danbury, Connecticut law firm, and also we have a substantial presence in Southbury. We have, well, it's really 134 YouTube videos on estate planning topics, trust and estate administration topics, and they're organized in playlists, all for the purpose of trying to give you good information so that you won't have to go to any high-powered, salesy type of seminars to get information that might not be quite so good. Tonight's program, it all revolves around, is your estate plan resilient enough to actually keep on working as everything changes? Allison Marcusio, she's going to be talking about the probate court and how the probate court deals with special problems that face people as they get more frail. Usually we're talking about the elderly, but it doesn't have to be that way. Anybody with a chronic illness that is disabling, the probate court can get involved there to find and appoint people with the authority to help them out. Dick Emerson, coincidentally, former probate court judge, is going to be talking to you tonight just about some insights he has about the probate court. Liz Hartery is going to be talking about how the issues that we face as we pass through the different stages of our lives, how the issues change. And then Jim Flaherty is going to talk about, if you're thinking about moving out of Connecticut, maybe you should think twice about it. If you are thinking that way, you have to keep some things in mind, because you might not be accomplishing what you're thinking about accomplishing if you don't do it right. So I think now it's time for me to introduce Allison, the first speaker. Allison's been working most of her adult life, I think maybe all of her adult life, in the legal sphere. She started out as a legal secretary in a firm that did primarily elder law work and estate planning work. And while she was a legal secretary, she put herself through college. And then she was promoted and became a paralegal. And once again, in the estate planning area, the elder law area, and as she was doing her paralegal work, she put herself through law school. And then most recently, she came to us because we recognized how special she is, what a hard worker she is. And most recently, she's been one of our partners, once again involved in elder law work and estate planning work, and we work together all the time. And while she's doing that, of course, she gets her master's in tax. So you can see she's a hard worker, and you can see that she's really sincere about what she's doing, or else why in the world would she put so much time and effort into it? So what I'd like to do now is hand the mic over to Allison, and she'll fill you in on how to make the probate court work better, and specifically when it comes to conservatorships.